Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. This puts you where Controls live. Once in Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Security. You're doing this because Chrome's safe browsing can block certain files it classifies as dangerous. Make sure to note the current protection level so you can restore it later. Now select a lower protection option if necessary. Doing this lets the download proceed, while you retain the ability to re-enable stronger protection afterward. Once done with the security panel, move to Site Settings to control per-site download permissions, because Chrome may block files from specific origins. Grant automatic downloads or click the padlock next to the address bar and choose Allow for the site you trust. If Chrome still blocks files, temporarily turn off Enhanced Protection in Security and replace it with Standard or No Protection. Understand this raises risk. Always apply site-specific allowances rather than global changes when possible to limit exposure. You finish by retrying the download. Clear the browser cache and restart Chrome if the file is still blocked, because stale state can persist. If blocking continues, check your antivirus or Windows Defender and temporarily disable web protection, or contact your IT admin if enterprise policy is enforced. Make sure to scan the downloaded file after retrieval and re-enable Chrome protection and any antivirus settings immediately. This returns you to a safe baseline. If problems persist, get the file from a verified alternate source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.